Hey guys, welcome back to Unstockable Trading. Today in our Discord group, we had a great day. Why? Because all long-term puts paid off. Holding it for 2 days, guess what? Boom, the market dropped. So we are going to look at Amazon, Nvidia, Boeing, and Lulu. I was wrong about earnings. I thought if you had kind of a run-up into the earnings, we have 3%, 2% closing today. And then I was like, okay, Lulu's gonna come down, but I was wrong. We need to talk about Bound and what I'm seeing in the next couple of days. So here's my projection on SPX. Listen carefully. We have a GDP tomorrow at 8:30 Eastern AM. So if it's good, yes, we're gonna have a rebound. If it's bad, expect a sell-off. How much? We're looking at 27.75. And then if we rebound at 27.75 and then we rebound towards the end of the day like today, then get calls because most likely Friday is gonna be green. That's what I'm saying. So today I exited my puts around 27.88. Let me tell you what my thought process was today. When you see this kind of waterfall to the downside, this is the 1 day 15 minutes time frame, by the way. When you see this kind of a sell-off like this, like a waterfall all the way to the downside, you have to tell yourself, market does not go in one direction. It has to rebound. And if you look at the RSI on the SPY, like I was talking about today in the group, we are way oversold. Time for a rebound. So when I see we came to 27.87 and we had a hard rebound to 27.90, that's like, okay, 27.90 is gonna get rejected, and then we gotta go test lower again. But guess what? We got rejected, but then we didn't go to 27.87. So I sold my puts around this area, like all of my puts, and then I went on 5 SPY calls for a scalp. I sold my 5 SPY calls at the 28.08, and then I added 5 SPY puts at the end of the day. Those trades are posted on my Discord group. Feel free to join my Discord group. It's free. And please like and subscribe. Let's get started. So my outlook on SPX. This was on point, but we didn't hit the 27.75 like I was hoping. So what's gonna happen tomorrow is we are going to see continuation of downside towards 27.75. That is only the GDP is bad. The GDP tomorrow, it's at right here, GDP, and we have a CPI, 8:30 and 9. Those are the two very important factors of where we are going to go for tomorrow. So for me, I'm short bias. I think it'll keep going down, and then we'll have eventual rebound around the 27.75, and then we go back up on Friday. If we have a rebound at the end of the day like today, then most likely Friday is gonna be a green day. Let's take a look at our first one, Amazon. Well guys, I told you Tuesday, Monday that we are going to retest the 200 days EMA, right? And guess what? We came down to 1744, just 10 points shy. So tomorrow, oh yeah, Amazon keep on dropping. It's gonna drop, and then most likely it's gonna bounce at the 1745, 44. Once we break that, if you see here, it's the previous low, previous support right here, and then we bounce off just like that today. Yes, we did come down a little bit lower, but this is the point where we bounced. So most likely it's gonna come down again, and then if it breaks, we'll see this. I'm short bias on Amazon. The next one we'll be looking at, it's Nvidia. Yes, Nvidia. I am not shorting Nvidia. The reason is that Nvidia only down about 37 cents. If you can see, it's still respecting the channel right here, and then it bounced off the line like perfectly 2 times, 3 times. So I'm not gonna short this. I'll only be dip buying calls. When I'm gonna buy it? When I see Nvidia goes to 175. Around 74 on this level and then rebound, that is when I'm going to get Nvidia a month out calls. I do expect Nvidia to go back to at least $190. The next one I want to look at is Boeing. Whatever Boeing is, it's a huge gamble because news every day can have a different like effect on Boeing. So guess what? We had some kind of bullcrap news today. Boeing went up $3.83. I shorted Boeing at 376, took profit. Tomorrow, I don't know what's gonna happen to Boeing because the news can have a great impact on this company. But I am looking at a consolidation. So most likely, in my opinion, I think we'll go fill the gap at $400. So Boeing is gonna be like, in my opinion, to fill this gap. The next one we'll be looking at is Lulu and what happened. So Lulu, okay, so this projection was wrong. Even though we are at almost all-time high, it didn't come down. 2.26%. It was a huge move today on Lulu, considering the market was down so much today. And I think Lulu hit the $160 after hour. That was the expected move. So Lulu, big X, no good. One thing we have to look at is our bond markets. We made another higher high today on the bond. So if this continue to go higher, the market's gonna fall. We need to look at the previous 3 years chart and see where we are right now. We are into a major resistance at the bond markets under 3 years. So I would just be careful right now. The market can rebound a lot faster when the bond come down, because this thing will come down. So just be careful. The bond tanks, we have our financial sectors is going to go higher. Tomorrow financial can come down and then I think go back up again. That's what I'm saying. And then on the SPX recap, target still remain the same, 27.75 ish. And then if we close up like this today, like we close up kind of high, expect Friday to be green. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. Oh, shout out to one of my Discord member, Chomp. He called out that if you ES, the mini futures, always have a lot of actions overnight, and then in the morning, back to normal again. So right now, ES down -12. Expect this go flat or even green tomorrow morning. See you guys in the next video.